How to fix queued not sending emails on Gmail. For an example, I have a mail right here that has not been sent. So let's tap on it and see the issue. So here it says that the address is not found. So this can be the case. So first and foremost, make sure that you have entered the correct email address of the receiver, and that is one of the things why your mail is not going. And the second option is check for your Gmail storage. Right here, if you tap on your username, you will see the storage used right there, and you can see that it is 0% of 15 GB for me. However, if your storage is full, go ahead and buy some storage from Gmail. If not, you can even create a new Gmail account. So let's move on to the third step. Head back from your Gmail and press and hold the application and head to the app info. Right here, tap on Force Stop first and foremost, then tap on Storage and Cache. Right here, tap on Clear Cache. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, scroll down your notification panel. Then, if your Wi-Fi is not working well, go ahead and turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off and switch on your Wi-Fi again. You can do this by switching on and off your router as well. So go ahead and give these things a try, and thank you so much for watching.